In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Ram 3500 key fob. This key fob was used between 2010 and 2019 and takes just one of these CR2032 batteries. You can change this yourself at home. It's really simple. All you'll need is one of these batteries, which you can get online, and I will put a link in the description for you to get it on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and then we will just need a flathead screwdriver. So let's jump right into it. If we come down to where the key ring is, if you follow the seam down until we come to this little indentation here, there's that corner right there. That's where we're going to put our flathead screwdriver. Just going to come into that corner, wiggling a little bit and applying pressure until it slides in, and then we can twist just like that. And you can see now we've started to open it up. You can just pull it apart with your fingers. And now we just remove the buttons with the circuit board under it and lift the battery out just like that. Here we go, CR2032. Make sure you get your new one and it goes positive side down. And then all we do is click it into place and reassemble the device. The batteries on top, the buttons on top of the battery, and this part just clicks back on. And that's really all it takes. It's super simple. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, feel free to give us a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the batteries of any of your key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com. Thank you.